Hello, learners. Welcome to this fascinating journey into ecology, the science of life and its environment. Today, we will explore how living things interact not just with each other, but also with the non-living world around them. Ecology is all about balance, connection, and survival. Ecology is a branch of biology that studies how organisms interact with each other and with their surroundings. It helps us understand how life is connected, from the smallest bacteria to the largest ecosystems that in nature. Life is organized in levels. At the smallest level, we have an individual organism like a single bird or a tree. Groups of the same species form a population. Several populations living together in one area make up a community. When we include the environment, soil, water, air, we call it an ecosystem. Finally, all ecosystems on Earth together form the biosphere, the zone of life on our planet. Every ecosystem is shaped by two main factors: biotic, living things, and abiotic, non-living things. Plants, animals, fungi, and microbes are biotic factors, while sunlight, water, temperature, and soil are abiotic factors. These elements work together to create the perfect conditions for life. In ecosystems, energy flows from one organism to another through feeding relationships. A simple food chain might look like this: sun, grass, grasshopper, frog, snake, hawk. But in real life, food chains are complex and interconnected, forming food webs. This web of relationships ensures that if one species disappears, others can survive by finding alternative food sources. Producers, like plants, make energy from sunlight. Consumers, like animals, eat plants or other animals. Finally, decomposers, like fungi and bacteria, break down dead material and recycle nutrients back into the soil. Without decomposers, ecosystems would collapse. Sadly, humans are now the biggest ecological force on the planet. Deforestation is destroying forests and pushing animals to extinction. Plastic waste is killing marine life. Air and water pollution are poisoning ecosystems. Climate change is melting glaciers, raising sea levels, and disturbing animal migrations. These changes are happening right now, and they disrupt the natural balance. The good news is that we can help. By planting trees, reducing waste, protecting endangered species, and using resources responsibly, we can restore ecological balance. Every action we take matters. Thank you.